Oh wow! Look at these beautiful soft toys. I would like to play with all the toys. What should I do? Which soft toy should I select? What do I need to do for that?
Hey, hello Priya, what are you doing?
Deepali, I want to play with these toys.
Oh, then how you will play with these?
That only I am thinking. What is to be done to play with these?
So, you need to buy these toys.
Oh, then from whom?
You need to buy it from the shopkeeper. How will you buy these toys?
I need to give money to the shopkeeper, then he will give me a toy.
Yes, Priya, you need to give money to the shopkeeper. So, children, to buy or purchase anything, we need to give money or we need to pay money. Money can be defined as anything that people use to buy things and services. Money is also called as currency or cash. Let's see something more about money in our new lesson. From today, let's start our new lesson, money. Objectives: to understand the value of money. Let's read poem, page number 89. My baby is so smart, said Mother Cuckoo. With money in her pocket, she knows what to do. She counts coins and notes, but steadily one by one. If somebody drops them, she picks them up and returns. Every time she gets a note, she does not forget to thank. And when she is got lots of them, she puts them in her piggy bank. Let's see what is given in the poem. The mother cuckoo finds her baby cuckoo is very smart because baby cuckoo have money in her pocket and she knows what to do with that. Baby cuckoo regularly counts her coins and notes. If somebody drops or falls their money, then baby cuckoo always returns them. Children, what should we do when we find money that someone might have dropped? If we find someone's money, we should return it. Not only money, but the things that don't belong to us. Whenever baby cuckoo gets a note, she doesn't forget to thank. And when she's got lots of notes, she puts them in her piggy bank. Children, just think, what should you do with money you are left with after buying things you need? Think and share your answer with your parents. If I left with money after buying things, I will save that money in my piggy bank. Children, do you have your piggy bank? If yes, then very good. If you don't have piggy bank, then try to make it and save the money you get from your elders in your piggy bank. When I was a kid, I had a piggy bank. I used to collect money in it. I used to buy my favorite things after discussing with my parents. Children, you can also use piggy bank money to buy anything after discussing with your parents. You can donate that money. You can use that money for birthday celebration of poor children, or you can save that money for your future. We can use saved money in our hard time. So, make a habit of saving money. Like Baby Cuckoo, you can also save money. In the next video, we will see how to identify notes and coins. Thank you. Stay healthy and happy.